Finish him!
One, two, three, jacket!
He lives, hey dude! Oh, I saw the whole thing, dude. First you were all like, whoa! And then we were like, whoa! And then you were like, whoa! I'm taking on the jelly.
When you're swimming with turtles, remember, touching them can earn you a fine. It's the law here and a fact I learned firsthand while diving with them. That is nothing good compared to me. Fight! Dun dun dun.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
We got Justin, we got Ungui, GR, walking away.
I want to show you
You are dead!
what.
Prepared to die.
Release the Unga inside you.
Stop!
Basic.
I'm just dancing here, Andrew.
Fastest, boy. Still fastest, boy.
Right, in the navy blue corner, we have Guapo Gia. In the black corner, weighing in at 160 pounds, he is a Master Seafood Championship warrior. Give it up for Justin Guapo. Fighters, you ready? Black team, you ready? Navy blue team, you ready? Ready? Get ready! Fight!
That's the spirit. I love the spirit of the skin, but how is it?
Oh! It's a 2v1! It's a 2v1 sprint!
Finish him!
Oh! Using the crack the skull.
Get over here!
There's people over there watching us. To the Dragon Warrior.
Dragon Warrior.
Studying his power. He is calling for praise power.
One by one.
There we go.
Round 1. Fight!
Ketegulan dia. Tinggi di square, dia punya dua. Oh, Demar.
That's just crazy. Who do you think won? Alright, who do you think won? Who just won first round? Sir, what do you think this was round?
Yeah, he think I won round 1.
Apa dia? Apa dia? Ular dah,